Welcome back to Wig Studio One. I am Jenny and I'm here to review today a brand new release by Ellen Wille called Sing from her Changes collection. This is a heat-friendly synthetic and the color is Mocca Rooted. Let's get started. This wig was generously provided by Wig Studio One for review and for me to share with you. Follow on Facebook the private group Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. And of course, like and subscribe here on YouTube for more reviews and more fun. The link to the private Facebook group is in the description box below, as well as the link to purchase this little cutie. So without further ado, let's take a look at this built-in fringed blunt cut bob. This is a heat-friendly piece. These fibers can be styled any way you'd like, but I kind of prefer them straight and blunt. That's the whole style, right? But you could add waves into this, and I think those waves would look adorable as well. This is a trendy little bob. It's a throw and go. The sides measure at 6 inches total. From crown to back, we have 10 inches. I'll turn around in just a bit. You have your fringe at 3.5 inches. It could easily be taken to a stylist and trimmed up a bit, but you have the fringe in there, the foundation is set, which is always kind of nice. The nape is 2.75 inches. Let's talk about this color. The color is Mocca Rooted. It is a rooted color. This is an auburn root base with light strawberry blonde and dark strawberry blonde blended throughout. And then you have your shaded root. Your part is right down the middle and it cannot be changed. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the cap underneath in just a minute. But in the meantime, let's take a look at this fringe and the lace front underneath. So when you lift, you will see your lace front that typically when you have a wig with fringe, you typically don't need a lace front, but sometimes, let's say you're out and about and a gust of wind picks up, you will have no fear whatsoever that anybody will tell that you are wearing a wig. So that lace front kind of comes in handy in this regard. I like it. It's not necessary, but it's kind of a nice little added feature. Let's take a look at the cap underneath. See here, you have a T part basically. So in the shape of a T, you will have just your middle part here where is a monofilament lace, and then your lace hairline here at the front. You have your open wefting for breathability, slight stretch. You have your extended nape with Velcro tabs, and you have your velvet ear tabs for comfort. Go ahead and put her on again, and we'll do one more 360 all around. You can see how easy that was to put this one on. Adjust around the ears, up and over. If your fringe is falling a little bit into your eyes, you can always adjust the wig back to shorten that fringe a bit. And then also because of the heat styling aspect, you can add a little bit of heat to redirect these fibers. But this one is a throw and go right out of the box. Cute style, year-round, adorable. Let's touch a little bit on permatease. Let's go over whether this piece has it or not. I've felt around the roots and it has permatease, very light permatease. Nothing too obvious or bulky. It is very soft, but it gives it that form and that volume. Here at the crown, I'm feeling it just a tiny bit, but again, not too much. All right, let's go ahead and do a full 360 so you can see all angles of this super cute bob. Here is my left side. You can get some volume up here in the crown as well. The back. My right side. And back to front. She easily tucks behind the ears. The density is so light. The weight on this one is 2.6 ounces, making this feel light as a feather. Thank you for being here and being a part of my review here for Sing by Ellen Wille. Again, I am Jenny, also known as the Wiggy Girl. Like and subscribe, and again, follow along on Facebook, the private group, Wig Studio One, Wig and Topper Support. See you next time.